The Bandra police has now recorded Kareena Kapoor Khan's statement with regard to exactly what happened in the house that night. In the statement, Kareena Kapoor said Saif Ali Khan tried to save the woman and the children. The attacker could not reach Jahangir. The attacker was very aggressive. Saif was attacked multiple times. Kareena Kapoor Khan's testimony has now become very key to the entire case. Kareena was present in the house when the attack took place. She has recorded her statement, and in her statement she has said that the attacker was very aggressive. Saif was attacked multiple times. The attacker was in the children's room, but he could not reach Jay, that is Jahangir, her younger son. My colleague Sana is joining me on the story. Sana, Kareena Kapoor was present in the house when the attack took place. Her statement being a very crucial piece of evidence that the police will now be looking at.
Absolutely, and it also kind of gives us an insight about what exactly happened and how horrific that time would have been for the entire family. Given that there were children involved, two very young children, we can only imagine what the parents must be going through. And Kareena's statement clearly states that Saif was the one who came in between, and he kind of saved his son Jay, because the attacker would have attacked the little boy also. And she also mentioned how Saif made sure that the kids and the women on the family were rushed to safety, were sent to the upper floor. And Kareena's statement also states that the attacker was cruel and aggressive. It kind of gives us an insight into the mind of the attacker, what was actually going on his mind, because Kareena states that he did not take any jewelry which was put there in plain sight, and thus it also kind of raises question about what the real intention of the attacker was. If he was not there for robbery, why would he attack Saif so aggressively? Why wouldn't he take anything from the house? I think there are so many unanswered questions on this case that everyone's just waiting for the Mumbai police to nab the culprit so that all these questions are answered. But Kareena's statement has given us insight into what exactly happened that night and how Saif bravely protected his family. And as everyone has been mentioning, and even in the hospital, about how he walked like a lion into the hospital, this has just kind of given an insight onto Saif's mental strength also. And this case is only unfolding in very different directions, and I think once the police manages to nab the culprit, only then these unanswered questions we'll finally find answers to these questions. And Kareena's statement, which was revealed by the police, she clearly states that the attacker was cruel, was aggressive. He attacked Saif multiple times, and Saif was the one who came in between to protect his family, and it was because of Saif that the attacker could not reach Jay. Kareena also states that she was completely shaken post the incident, and her sister Karisma Kapoor, actress, she came in and took Kareena to her home, and Kareena was taken to Karisma's home because she was absolutely shaken. And I think this also proves why Kareena was not present when Saif was rushed to the hospital. Kareena's statement has given a new light to this case, and now we are all waiting for the culprit to be nabbed.
Right, Sana. Please stay on with me. Sana Farzeen, my colleague, putting things in perspective. Kareena Kapoor Khan has given her statement to the police. Her statement now has become a very crucial piece of evidence, bringing together exactly what happened on that fateful night. My colleague Vidya is also joining me. She's standing right outside the Bandra police station. The Bandra police has now been questioning close to 50 people, the staff members, all those people who were present inside the house when this horrific incident took place. All of them have been brought in for questioning. Their statements have now been recorded. Vidya, with Kareena Kapoor now giving her statement, there is a sort of a clarity with regards to what exactly happened. Kareena Kapoor very clearly saying that we also did not understand what exactly the intention was, but the attacker was very, very aggressive. Saif Ali Khan was injured multiple times, and she also said that he was present in the children's room, and it was Saif who came between the intruder and both his kids.
In fact, it does seem exactly like that to Mumbai police as well, who have been stating that, this person, he does not really have a criminal antecedent. So it does not even seem like he had gone there with a particular, intention in mind to do a particular act of, say, robbery, kidnapping or any kind of incident. But because he seems like someone who is probably disturbed by something, and that's one of the reasons he put out a very aggressive attack on Saif. However, of course, the details of all this will really be known only after the accused is really arrested and ascertained as to whether he was in his right senses when he actually got into the house, what was his intention, why did he do what he did. Those are also the questions that not just Mumbai police but everyone in Mumbai and India really wants to know as to why did this attack really happen. Imagine someone just intruding into your house at 2 in the morning and just attacking. Anyone would be very traumatized at that very moment, and it was you have to give it to Saif that he held his fort. He took decisions even when he was heavily bleeding. Took an auto rickshaw, came to the hospital, made sure that he signed his consent form. As the doctor was saying that for every operation that we did, there is a consent form, whether for anesthesia, whether for the operation. It was Saif himself who knew, who was told by the doctors that this is what is going to happen, this is what we have to do, and he agreed to it. He signed the consent forms. So even in that kind of state, the state of mind that he was in was something that was visible in his entire act, where how he managed himself throughout the hospital care. And of course, he's as Sana also said that he's getting back on his feet.
Right.
He's walked yesterday, and of course, the doctors have told him that for the next 2 weeks he has to be on bed rest, and post 2 weeks he can start exercising, getting his back to the acting work. So whatever he can do, but for 2 weeks there is bed rest for him.